Would you believe it? Woolly mammoths, extinct for over 4,000 years, could be revived by 2028. Recently, a foreign mega biotechnology company claimed that scientists have successfully created pluripotent stem cells of woolly mammoths. These special stem cells can differentiate into any type of cell in a mammoth's body. Most people's impression of mammoths stays in the legendary Ice Age, characterized by their long hair, short tails, and small ears. Back in 2007, a mammoth calf was excavated from the permafrost in northern Russia. Judging solely by its appearance, it looked incredibly lifelike. Hard to believe it lived tens of thousands of years ago. So far, humans have discovered numerous mammoth fossils. In 2012, another mammoth carcass was found in Russian permafrost, with remarkably well-preserved hair and organs. While this wasn't particularly newsworthy itself, what shocked scientists was that some cells in this carcass were still alive. This allowed researchers to extract its DNA and sequence these cells. The mammoth genome differs only about 5% from modern elephants, meaning scientists could potentially use synthetic biology techniques to place a mammoth nucleus into a modern elephant's egg cell, then have a modern elephant serve as surrogate mother. Some may ask, what exactly are the differences between mammoths and modern elephants? Let's take a deeper look at mammoths and the primary reasons for their extinction. Mammoths typically lived in herds, which provided safety. Their environment was very different from today's. Many large predators still existed during that era, such as fierce cave lions. A pride of cave lions could pose significant threat to a mammoth herd. There were also saber-toothed cats, another major natural enemy of mammoths. Not only large in size, but extremely powerful fighters. The formidable dire wolves of that time were also dominant predators in their territories. Although there were many predators, these losses were within the mammoth's tolerance range. Their thick skin and hair not only protected against predator attacks, but also enabled them to thrive in cold climates. Mammoths were considerably larger than modern elephants, standing about 10 feet tall and weighing around 10 tons. Their long, curved tusks served both as weapons and tools for feeding, like prying through ice and snow to reach plants below. Since mammoths lived in groups, internal conflicts within herds were frequent. They fought not only for dominance but also over females, key resources within the group. Their relatively small population size eventually led to extensive inbreeding, which accelerated their extinction process. When mammoth numbers dwindled to a certain point, inbreeding caused reduced genetic diversity, making them less adaptable to environmental changes and more vulnerable to diseases. But these weren't the only reasons for their extinction. As Earth's climate gradually improved, global conditions became warmer and more humid, significantly shrinking the mammoth's habitat. Under these combined pressures, mammoths were pushed to the brink of extinction. It was at this critical juncture that the world's most dangerous animal emerged in these frozen wastelands. Despite their relatively small size compared to other large predators, they possessed unmatched intelligence and supreme adaptability. These creatures dominated the landscape, hunting various prehistoric megafauna to extinction. No species could withstand such clever adversaries. As human civilization advanced and technology improved, their efficiency in hunting mammoths increased dramatically. Since mammoth tusks and fur were highly valuable, they became prime targets for human hunters. Every tribe took pride in hunting mammoths. Under sustained human hunting pressure, mammoth populations plummeted, ultimately driving them to extinction. This raises an important question. If mammoths are indeed successfully revived, would this be a good or bad thing for our world?